First grade writers, Mrs. Freeland here. I'm going to do a lesson with you today about writing and how when we write, we actually need to go back and make some changes to our writing when we think we're done, right? We've just begun because everyone's writing can be fixed up and made just a little bit better. So in writing, we call this revision. Re means to do again, and vision means what we see. So revision means looking at something again and making it better. So we're going to revise a story today, and I'm going to show you how to use what's called a carrot, and not like the orange crunchy carrot. This is a little sign that looks like a mountain, and we use it in our writing when we want to add in words. So I'm going to get a special color marker. I'm going to get a purple marker. Your teacher will tell you what color to use. And behind me, I have a story, and let me stand so you can see the story. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to revise this story and make it better. And I'm going to use that little carrot sign. I hope you can see my story, and I'll get out of the way a minute here. So this is my story, and I'm going to read it to you. Now, as I read it for revision, I'm going to read it word by word. So that way I can see if there's any mistakes and if I left out any words. Because when you're writing, sometimes you're writing fast and your brain is thinking of the words, but your hand doesn't write them down. So we need to go back and make sure every word is there. So I'm actually going to use my finger, and I'm not going to read the story like I know the story. I'm going to read the story word for word and see if there's a word missing. Here we go. Once we were a football game. Oh, that doesn't make sense. We were a football game? We were at a football game. I forgot the word at. So boys and girls, this is how I'm going to add at. Ready? I'm going to do a little mountain. It's called a carrot. We were at a football game when realized a little girl was missing. When a what realized it? Oh, that's right. When a family realized a little girl was missing. Okay, so I'm going to do my little carrot, my little mountain, and that's where I'm adding the word family in there because that's where it goes. So now I'm going to go back and reread and make sure it sounds right. Once we were at a football game when a family realized a little girl was missing. She had gone to the stand to buy a pop for her dad. No one could find her. Finally, her dad went down the street to the gas station. She had walked there alone to buy she was okay. Oh, to buy the pop. I forgot the word pop. So I'm going to use a little carrot, add in the word pop. If you have to write little, it's okay. I'm going to go back and reread that part. Finally, her dad went down the street to the gas station. She had walked there alone to buy the pop. She was okay. All right, boys and girls, that was a true story. So remember, you can take things that have happened to you and turn them into stories. So I just want to share with you that what you're going to do today is go through some of your stories, look at them, point to the word for word. Don't just read it fast. Read it word for word like you're someone new reading it to make sure all the words are there. If you're missing a word, think about what should have been there. Add the little sign in, the little carrot sign that looks like a mountain. And then you can add in words to your writing and fix up your writing. Okay, boys and girls, I'm excited to watch you fix up your writing today.